Hi, welcome back to the channel. On this episode, I'd like to talk about two stocks that are paying dividend. One of them just announced that it's cutting dividend and the stock fell about 4% today, 1st of February. The other stock, ExxonMobil, the stock is up about 5% today. AT&T stock fell last week due to the Warner Media merger, whatever that the CEO announced on the earnings call conference. That was not enough. Today, they announced they're cutting dividends. Investors are freaking out. People are not smiling. Cutting dividend, it depends on how you see it. Some people will rather have AT&T do buybacks, but AT&T is well known for dividend paying stock. I have AT&T in my own personal portfolio. We have it in some of our funds. It's a stock that we rely on dividend as well. ExxonMobil is on the rise. ExxonMobil is at all-time high. The crude oil is up in the market. It's almost $100 per barrel. ExxonMobil, you will think the year where EVs are springing up here and there, it shows that they will still be reliant on oil for time to come. ExxonMobil is doing well. The stock is doing well. Is up today about 5%. They also pay dividend. Let's have a look at the chart and see where ExxonMobil is on the chart. Let's see what the price action is saying. For AT&T, we also look at the after effect of it and what the price action is telling us. We are looking at AT&T. AT&T is currently $24.35. The stock fell about 4% today due to the slashing of the announcement for slashing of the dividend. I think we have covered AT&T on this platform recently. You can see the information here. You can see that the market value is 182.1 billion. The share outstanding is 7.1 billion. The PE ratio as of today is $8.80. The dividend yield is 8.56. That was what was slashed. Can we also look at? We will look at the chart on Momo, but can we also look at some fundamentals that we might? Okay, now we can see that why it was slashed. We can quickly go through this. AT&T was punished for its dividend cut. It's time to buy the stock, meaning it's time to buy the dip. You have to see the positive side of buying the dip. AT&T set out to announce a transformative deal this past week, but the company's shareholder got stuck on the fine print disclosed in the news. AT&T was slashing its dividend. The spin-off of Warner Media and its subsequent combination. You can read more on this. So we will have a look at the ExxonMobil. Let's have a look at ExxonMobil and see what ExxonMobil is saying. ExxonMobil is at all-time high today. The stock is up for over 5%, 79.90. ExxonMobil, in spite of the electrification, vehicles and moving from gasoline to electric, the stock is up. This might be due to the Russian, Ukraine, and the US tension. However, can we just look at the information on it? 321.5 billion market cap. The PE ratio here is not applicable. Dividend yield, it's a dividend paying stock. Dividend yield is 4.39. We will look at the chart on Momo, but then ExxonMobil is a oil giant. We all know that, and engages in the exploration, development, and distribution of oil, gas, and petroleum product. The stock is up at over 5%. Let's see if there's any other fundamental news about it. Okay, let's quickly go through this. ExxonMobil posted better than expected earnings. Oh, okay, that was yesterday for the fourth quarter on Tuesday. Okay, that's today anyway, and announced a 10 billion share buyback plan after having paid back almost all of the debt it took out during the depth of the pandemic. Wow, you see, this is good. Let's have a look at the price action on. We are looking at AT&T. AT&T has been down for about 4.5% down today because of the announcement on cutting investor dividend. Let me just quickly draw some support line we can see here. AT&T, okay. Also I can see that resistance here. So the stock has been trading within this channel. So I would say due to the reduction on the dividend, the stock fell today. Let's have a look at a weekly chart. Okay, let's have this is the weekly chart. So let's have a look at the daily chart. On a daily chart, wow, okay, it shows here that the stock is actually trading below 50-day moving average. It's trading below 50-day moving average. It's a beautiful trend. You know, this was when the earnings was announced, so the stock hasn't gotten back to the position before they announced with cutting back on dividend as well. We just didn't get what for AT&T. However, you can use the opportunity to buy the dip. That's the positive side of it. It's buy the dip, you know, it's reasonable. The P ratio is stated at 8 as of today. It is 8.82. So, you know, you can buy the dip. Can we have a look at ExxonMobil? Okay, ExxonMobil, let us do this first. ExxonMobil is on uptrend. ExxonMobil has reached $81 today. That's all-time high, 52-week high. You can see that the 20-day moving average crossed over 50-day moving average going up. This is the bullish direction. This is the bullish trend, and you can see this is the beautiful trend. Let me just draw this. This is beautiful. You can see, yeah. You can do this, yeah. So let's have a look at the weekly chart. Wow, this is beautiful. In fact, I think he's just taking a resistance here. It's on an uptrend. This stock is on the move. In spite of electrification, EVs here and there, it shows that we are still reliant on the oil. Also, this might just be as a result of the Russian, Ukraine, and the US tension. However, the price is up. The price of crude is almost $100. So you can see why ExxonMobil is up. This is good for the investors. We have seen the chart. AT&T is trading below $24 today. You can buy the dip. See it as opportunity to buy the dip. If you want to add more to your position, you can do that. But do your valuation. ExxonMobil, on the other hand, is on the rise. We have seen the chart. We have seen what price action is telling us. In spite of EVs and electrification, electric here and there, there's still so much reliance on crude oil. Also, don't forget the impact of Russia and the US. The tension is also making price for crude oil to go up. So do your valuation, see if it's good for you. Thank you for watching this channel. We hope that we have given you value for your time. Please like and share and call again.